Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I am Miss Ariba, your science teacher. I hope you all are staying at home and enjoying our videos. So in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is electricity. We have completed 3 chapters and now we are going to start electricity. What is electricity? Do you all know that? What is electricity? Have you ever seen electricity? Okay, let me tell you that electricity is a form of energy. What is electricity? It is a form of energy. You cannot see the electricity, but you can see that where it is working all around us. Yes, you cannot see the electricity, but you can see that where it is working. Look around you and see that which things work with electricity. I will show you some of the examples, that is lamp. Lamp uses electricity to light up. This is an iron. You use iron to press your clothes. Do you know how iron works? Yes, iron also uses electricity to work. So when you press your clothes, you use electricity. What is this? This is a computer. Yes, computer also uses electricity to work. When you plug in the wire of a computer in a socket, the computer starts. That is why we say that electricity is used by computer also. This is an air conditioner. It is used in summer when you feel hot. Do you know that how air conditioner works? Yes, it also uses electricity to work. When you plug in the wire in the socket, so it starts working. It means that air conditioner is also using the electricity to work. This is a fan, and fan also uses electricity to work. Oh, these kids are watching television. But how does television work? Do you know? Yes, television also use electricity to work. And if we will not use electricity to watch television, it will not work. Electricity is also used by washing machine to wash our clothes. We use electricity to wash our clothes also. And the last example I have for you is light bulb. It also uses electricity to give us light. Tube lights and bulbs also use electricity to give us light. And if we will not have light, we will not be able to see anything around us. Electricity is important for all of us because it helps us in many ways. It lights our bulbs and help us to use many things which I have shown you.
Today we'll learn about electricity. Visualize a different world where you couldn't turn on a light, a computer, or even use the electric kettle to make your favorite hot chocolate drink. We use electricity constantly in our daily lives. It is one of our most important types of energy and power that we use. Electricity operates our lights, runs our refrigerators, kitchen appliances, and powers motors. So electricity is very much important to all of us.
Do you know that from where the electricity comes from and where it is made? I have never seen the electricity coming to my house. Have you ever seen the electricity coming to your house? That can't be possible. Let me tell you. There are power stations from where the electricity comes to our houses, and it is the only place where the electricity is made. Power station is a place where electricity is made. And And electricity is brought to our houses through thick wires that are called cables. These are the thick wires that bring the electricity to our homes. And what is it called? Cables. Yes, these wires, which are called cables, are bringing the electricity to our houses. All the electrical things in your houses like iron, washing machine, lamp, lights, tube light, fridge, and so on can run on this electricity, which is sent by the power station through the wires that are called cables. So what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy which help us to do many things, like you can press your clothes, like you can wash your clothes, like you can watch television and use many things which work from electricity. You cannot see the electricity, but you can see around you that there are so many things that work from electricity. You cannot see the electricity, but you can see the things that are working from electricity. As I told you that the main electricity is made in the power station, and from there, from the power station, the electricity is brought to our houses through thick wires, and those thick wires are called cables. This electricity is very powerful and it can be very dangerous for all of us if we will not follow the safety rules. We all should follow the safety rules to stay safe from the electricity, because it can also from the power station. The electricity is brought to our houses through thick wires, and those thick wires are called cables. This electricity is very powerful and it can be very dangerous for all of us if we will not follow the safety rules. We all should follow the safety rules to stay safe from the electricity, because it can also harm us.
If you remember the safety rules, you can use electricity without getting hurt. Below is some safety rules before using anything related to electricity. Don't plug a lot of stuff into a single extension cord. Always fly your kite away from power lines. Keeping electrical things far away from water. Do not climb a tree near power lines. Always wear unwet slippers before touching any electrical equipment. Stay away from broken or fallen power lines. Always ask your parents' help before touching electrical equipment. I hope now you know much about electricity. Be careful while using electricity and be kind to one another. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I hope now you all know that what is electricity and where it is made, and how important is electricity for us. What is this? This is a electric bulb which gives us light. When there was no electric bulb, the old people used candles, and glass lamp were also used. These are the glass lamps which were used before when there was no electric bulb. Okay, let me tell you the meaning of inventor. Inventor means that someone who creates or made new things is called inventor. So, who is an inventor? Inventor is a person who made new things. That is called inventor. Do you know that who first invented the electric bulb? Thomas Edison invented the first electric bulb. Who is Thomas Edison? Thomas Edison is an American inventor who invented the first electric bulb in 1879. Thomas Edison invented so many things for us, like microphone and electric bulb. When Thomas Edison was in school as a little boy, the teachers were not happy with him because he was often sick and could not hear very well. But when he grew up, he became a very great inventor because he invented so many things, and he became successful because he did not give up and kept hard working. So he became a successful man. So who is an inventor of electric bulb? Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison invented an electric bulb in 1879. Look at this picture. Can you see the electric bulb? Yes, he invented this electric bulb and became a successful man by doing his hard work. Now watch the story of Thomas Edison.
Today we are going to learn about Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, a telegraph operator, a scientist, and a great American inventor that changed our daily lives forever. Thomas Edison was born in 1847 in Ohio. He was the youngest of 7 children in the family. As a young boy, he struggled in school. His family decided he should be taught at home by his mother. He also learned a lot by reading books and doing his own experiments. As a young man, he worked as a telegraph operator. Before telephones were invented, people used telegraphs to send messages over long distances. Thomas Edison began inventing. Inventing is coming up with new ideas and tools. He invented the phonograph, which recorded sound, and the kinetograph, which was an early movie camera. He became a full-time inventor and scientist. His laboratory had staff who helped him with experiments. In 1879, Thomas Edison developed the first light bulb that could be used in homes and last a long time. It was very different than the other light bulbs that had already been invented. Thomas Edison built a power station to bring electricity to people's homes using wires. Now people didn't have to use gas lamps and candles for light. This was an amazing development, and we still use power stations that use wires today. Electricity comes to our homes through wires, and that was developed by Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, a telegraph operator, a scientist, an American inventor that very richly changed our daily lives. Not only did he invent the best light bulb of his day that changed everything, but he also taught us how to bring electricity to our homes, developing the first power stations so that we can enjoy these new light bulbs that he invented. He changed our daily lives, and he is one of the greatest American inventors.
I hope you liked the video. Now you have to answer these questions and write down in your copy. Question number 1 is, who is an inventor? Question number 2, who invented the first electric bulb? Question number 3, where does the electricity we use come from? You have to answer these questions in your copy. Till then, see you in the next video. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.